Bright Duty. Every student matters.
Hello dear students, welcome to another lecture. In this class, we are going to discuss and solve together the fifth worksheet of class 11th Alternative English Nagaland Board. So this worksheet, which is a part of your reading section, we shall read it and try to solve this worksheet together and find out the answers to the back exercises given. So let us start reading. The mountain railways of India are a unique UNESCO World Heritage Site. They include three railways. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, located in the foothills of the Himalayas in West Bengal, was the first and is still the most outstanding example of a hill passenger railway. Opened in 1881, it established an effective rail link across a mountainous terrain of great beauty. So we are reading about the Mountain Railways of India, which is a unique UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now there are three railways which is a part, railways which are a part of this project. The first one is Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, which is located in the foothills of Himalayas in West Bengal. And this project, that is the Darjeeling Himalayan Railways, was the first and is still the most outstanding, the most brilliant example of a hill passenger railway. Now this was opened in the year 1881. And it established an effective rail link, very effectively, very wonderfully. It linked, the mountainous region of this area through train. The construction of the Nilgiri Mountain Railway, which is a 46-kilometer long meter gauge single track railway in Tamil Nadu, was completed in 1908. This railway, at an elevation of 326 meters to 223 meters, represents the latest technology of its time. Then the second that we have is Nilgiri Mountain Railway, which is 46 kilometer long and was completed in the year 1908 in Tamil Nadu, and it is located at an elevation. Elevation means at a height, at an altitude of 326 meters to 2203 meters and is made up of the latest technology. The third that we have is the Kalka-Shimla Railway, which is again located in the Himalayan foothills of Himachal Pradesh. It is 96 kilometers long. It is single track and was built in the 19th century. And it connects the highland town of Shimla to the plain. So it connects Shimla to the plain areas. All of these railways are still fully operational. Now, through all the routes, though all the routes are constantly exposed to the risk of weather, landslides and rockfalls, the tracks are maintained regularly. They have been relaid several times and retaining walls have been rebuilt at various points during the highly eventful history of the railway's operation. Various station buildings on the three railways have undergone reconstruction during the course of the century, especially those destroyed by earthquake or fire. These buildings are being restored and maintained in their latest form. Many other related structures have been restored and maintained in their original form. So all these three railways that we've talked about, now although they are located at such places that constantly they are exposed to high risk of the weather conditions, of landslides, of falling rocks, but the railway tracks are regularly maintained. They have been relaid. These railway tracks have been laid repeatedly. So one after the other, these railway tracks have been relayed and the walls have been rebuilt, at various points during the eventful history of the railways operation. So in the past, these tracks were relaid and remade. There were various station buildings that were made. They were constructed and reconstructed because these railway stations were destroyed by earthquake or by fire. Now these buildings have also been restored and have also been maintained, and all the things, be it the railway services, the rail tracks or the railway stations, all of them are in perfect order. Though new rolling stone and engines have been introduced, the remaining original ones have also been maintained. This includes the famous B-Town steam engines of the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Original four-wheeled carriages and bogie-type carriages are still in use. They are clearly vulnerable due to the fact they are functioning railways. Hence, care is always taken to ensure that these parts retain the design and quality of the original. So, there are new rolling stock. So, new technology, new types have been introduced. But these engines that were made earlier, they are still in use and are very well maintained. These include the famous B-class steam engines which were used in the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Now the original four-wheeled carriages and the bogie type carriages also that were initially used when the railway system began, they are still in use. And clearly they are vulnerable, they are easily damaged and they need to be repaired easily, but that is because they are functional, and a machine which is being used regularly has to undergo a repair. Therefore, they need to be taken care of very well so that their design and their quality can be taken care of. The mountain railways of India are outstanding examples of innovative transportation systems built through difficult mountainous terrains. So the mountain railways of India are the examples of how one can use creativity and innovation and can connect different and unthinkable parts of the world with each other, even those that are there in mountain. They greatly influenced the social and the economic development of their respective regions. So these mountains influence the development of their respective regions. Built during the period of the British rule in India, they also served as a model for similar developments in the various parts of the world. So these railways were built during the British rule in India, and these three railway services served as the model, served as a benchmark for the different railways that were thereby constructed and used in the different parts of the world. So, again, a very good piece of information that has been shared with us. Now, let us look at the back exercises. Fill in the blanks to complete the corresponding information in the table given below. So, you have to fill in the information. Very simple. First is the Kalka Shimla Railway. So, what do we know about the Kalka Shimla Railway? It is given to you, obviously. So, the Kalka Shimla Railway is located in the Himalayan foothills of Himachal Pradesh. It is 96 km long. It is single tracked and was built in the mid 19th century. Right? So, this is what we know of Kalka Shimla Railway. Now, the second one is Tamil Nadu. What steam or what railway service began in Tamil Nadu? It is the Nilgiri Mountain Railways. As it is written, it was a railway system in Tamil Nadu. So, Nilgiri Mountain Service. Then we have UNESCO World Heritage Site. So, what do we know about the UNESCO World Heritage Site? The Mountain Railways of India, they are a unique UNESCO Mountain World Heritage Site. Then at the end, we have the B-class steam engines. What do we know about the B-class steam engines? As we have underlined here, So Darjeeling Himalayan Railway are the B class steam engine. So you see, I had underlined almost all the things for you and simply had to pick up the things and put them in the table. The next question is, answer the following questions, okay? So why were the 3 railway routes important when they were built? So why were these 3 railway routes so important when they were built? Because they were built in the British India, and they were specifically built in those regions, in those areas where transportation was so difficult, specifically the mountainous terrains. What is their importance in the present times? In the present times, they are highly important because they serve as a benchmark for the development of the other railways, and they are taken care of very well, they are restored, and they are protected and preserved very well. What are the risks that the 3 railway route face? There are so many risks. We've read that. Landslides, the rock falls, the weather conditions because of which the railway tracks get destroyed. How do the 3 routes continue being functional? They continue being functional because of the care that is taken, because they are relayed, because they are reworked upon, they are reconstructed, they are restored whenever the need arises. Okay. Find words from the passage that have the same meaning as the ones given in the, as the ones given below. So you are given with a few words. You have to find the words from the passage which mean the same. Repaired and rebuilt is relayed. Something which is laid bare, something which is very easy to be destroyed. So that is vulnerable. One of its kind is unique. Exceptionally good is outstanding. And height above the sea level is elevation. So use the words from the passage in sentences of your own. You have to frame sentences for these words given to you. Effective. If I say practicing yoga is a very effective technique to balance your oxygen in the in your body during the COVID pandemic time. Reconstructed, my house was reconstructed after it got blown by a storm. Restored, the old temple near my house has been restored recently by the new government. Maintained, this railway is very well maintained by the authorities. So you see, my dear students, again, we kept on reading and underlining and understanding, and with ease we were able to answer the back exercises. So I'm going to pause here now, and in the next class, I'm going to begin with the 6th worksheet. So I'll see you all now in my next video. Thank you.